Hello from Seoul. It seems like a lot of people still think making stir fry is difficult, but trust me, you could not be more wrong. Stir fry dishes are easy, quick, and totally foolproof. Don't buy it? With this recipe, I'll prove it to you. Today, we're gonna be making chicken and onion stir fry, one of the easiest stir fry dishes on the planet. I've shown you so many stir fry recipes, but if you ever felt like they were still a bit too much work for you, you gotta try this. It's simple, quick, and absolutely delicious. So stop hesitating and give this a try. I'm sure you will absolutely love this dish. For this, you will need some chicken, garlic, ginger, green onions, and onion. That's it. Super simple, right? But if you wanna make it look a little fancier to impress your hungry birds at home, bring some bell peppers. Trust me, this little guy will make your dish look even more colorful and vibrant. Alright, let's start prepping our ingredients. First, chicken. Today, I'm gonna be using 1 pound of chicken breast. But if you wanna use a different cut, go ahead and use that. Don't worry about it. It's all gonna taste amazing. Alright, take the chicken breast and cut it into bite-sized pieces. If you cut it against the grain like this, you'll get more tender, juicy chicken in every bite. What? It looks a bit tricky? Our marinade we're gonna make later on will take care of everything, so you don't have to worry about it. To marinate our chicken, add half a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, a quarter teaspoon of white pepper, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of neutral oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and give it a good massage. Super simple, right? But this simple marinade will make your chicken unbelievably juicy and tender. By the way, we have all the instructions and a list of ingredients on our blog, aaronandclaire.com. So please visit here if you need a written recipe. Now, let's prep the vegetables. First, smash 3 cloves of garlic and finely chop them. Once that's done, grate a small knob of ginger. About 2 teaspoons would be enough. This time, green onion. Take 3 or 4 green onions and cut them into 2-inch pieces. And then thinly slice the white parts. As always, we're gonna infuse our oil with the white part. And that is where all the magic happens. This time, cut some bell pepper into nice bite-sized pieces. I'm gonna be using about half a cup today. And like I said earlier, this is more of an aesthetic thing. So if you're all about keeping it super simple, feel free to skip it. No problem at all. Lastly, take 1 large onion and cut it into big bite-sized pieces. If you cut it too small, it's gonna turn too mushy after it's cooked. And you will lose all the great texture. We want it slightly cooked but still nice and crunchy. So please cut it into big chunks. And here's one more tip. After you cut the onion, make sure to separate the layers like this. This way, you'll be able to cook them more evenly and easily stir fry. Pretty good tip, right? Alright, we are almost there. Let's make the sauce. In a small container, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine or any cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, 5 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and give it a good mix. That's it. Couldn't be any easier, right? Alright, everything is all set. Let's get cooking. In a large wok or pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and heat it over high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, add your marinated chicken, spread it out in a single layer, and then let it sear for about 1 minute or until the bottom gets beautifully golden brown. This is where all the flavor starts to build, so make sure to give it enough time to get some nice browning. Once the bottom turns beautiful golden brown, flip and cook the other side for about 3 to 4 minutes. When the chicken is cooked through, you can remove it from the wok and set that aside. Now, to the same wok, add 1 tablespoon of oil and heat it over high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, add in the onions and spread them out just like you did with the chicken. And let them sit for about 1 minute or until they get nice and charred. Now, add the garlic, ginger, white parts of the green onions, and saute those for about 30 seconds. Once your kitchen smells real nice, add the chicken, black pepper, sauce that we made earlier, and stir fry everything together for about 1 minute or until everything is nicely coated in the beautiful sauce. That's it, nothing complicated, right? Alright, let's turn the heat off. And then to that, add 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, the remaining green onions, and give it a final mix. How about that? Unbelievably simple, right? Once you try, you will realize it's way easier than you think. So please give this a try. You won't regret it. Alright, looks like it's done. Let's plate this up. Put some rice on a serving plate and top it up with our gorgeous chicken and onion stir fry. How does it look? Absolutely amazing, right? You wanna know how it tastes? Alright, let's call our taste tester. But before we meet our taste tester, I wanna take a moment to thank our paid partner, BetterHelp. Running this channel is super rewarding, but let me tell you one thing. It's not easy at all. You know, English is not my first language, so creating recipes, writing video scripts, uploading detailed blog posts, and even writing cookbooks, they can be pretty overwhelming. And when the pressure builds up, instead of slowing down, I usually just push through it. That's been my unhealthy pattern and I couldn't break it on my own. That's why I love talking about BetterHelp. Whether you're stressed, overwhelmed, or stuck in a loop like I was, therapy can shift unhealthy thoughts and behaviors into something more positive. BetterHelp's mission is to make therapy convenient for you. Because finding the right therapist can be a challenge, but with BetterHelp, you just fill out a few questions online and you will get matched with a professional therapist who has years of experience in helping people with struggles just like yours. You'll be matched to a therapist as soon as possible, so you can get started fast. And here's the best part. If the first match is not quite right for you, you can easily switch therapists without any extra cost. Plus, you can do everything from the comfort of your home, so you don't have to worry about fitting therapy into your busy schedule. Also, you can have therapy sessions by phone call, video chat, or even messaging, so it's easy and less intimidating. If this sounds like something you can benefit from, use the link in my description below or visit betterhelp.com/AaronandClaire and enjoy a special discount on your first month. Thanks, BetterHelp.
Claire. Ooh, 맛있겠다. It looks super yummy. Let's give it a try. 영혼 없는 표정. 하나, 맛있어 보이지? 영혼 없어. 뭐 표정이야? 오, 양파에 차가 싹 들어간 게 되게 맛있어 보이네. 요 녀석도 엄청 주시하니 맛있어 보인다. Because it's chicken and onion, I'm gonna try basil. Cheers! 와, 다시 한 번만, 한 입만 더. 와, 닭가슴살로 만든 게 맞나 싶을 정도로 진짜 부드럽게 뻑하지 않고 촉촉하니 되게 맛있다. 거기에 양파가 이름값 하듯이 너무 맛있는 것 같아. 그냥 양파가 딱 적당하게 조리가 돼가지고 너무 지나치게 흐물흐물한 것도 아니고 그렇다고 너무 생양파도 아닌 딱 맛있는 그 중간에 있어. 그래서 너무 좋은 것 같아. 양파에서 나오는 자연스러운 단맛이랑 그 소스의 그 짭조름함이 적절히 잘 어울리면서 되게 맛있어. 영! 밥이랑 먹어봐야 돼, 이번에는. 소스 묻은 밥. 그게 진짜 맛있거든. 요렇게. Cheers! 이거지 너무 맛있잖아. 밥이 뜨끈한데 거기에 소스가 잔뜩 묻어가지고 진짜 제대로 맛있어. 그리고 벨페퍼는 진짜 어니언의 그 단맛이랑 또 다른 상큼한 단맛이잖아. 너무 맛있어. 좀 귀찮아도 하나 더 추가하면은 훨씬 더 맛있게 즐길 수 있는 그런 재료인 것 같아. 맛있다. 너무 맛있다.
Today, I showed you how to make chicken and onion stir fry, one of the easiest chicken stir fries of all time. How was it? Was there even a single thing to complain about? I don't think so. Simple, easy, and packed with flavor. Seriously, there's no reason not to try this at home. So what are you waiting for? Go run to your kitchen and give it a shot. If you do, you might never ever order chicken stir fry again because yours will taste way better. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.